Hello people, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to do another flip through, and this is the Spirit of the Nature Oracle and Ancient Wisdom from the Green Man and the Celtic ogam tree alphabet. Very nice done, and this is done by John Matthews and Will Worthington. So very nice. Here is the back of the I mean the side of the box, and here is the back. So let's go and open this for the sweetheart, and this is a box that slides open. Let me put it down, and here is the book. Book is very nice, and here you have the alphabet of ogam. So here's how it looks, and here you have another. Here's a little bit about the Green Man and the, I guess, history. So the history is a couple of pages. Yeah, it is. So, and then the card starts, the card meanings. So, here is birch, and here you have here you have some words, and here you have the ogam, and here you have the letter for it, and then all information about it. And there is 1.5 page sort of, or 2 pages of information, sort of 2.5 or 1.5, in somewhere in between. Here is next ogam. So here's Rowan. I'm just trying to show, my goodness. So this is how it is. This is the book. So here you have some spreads. And the spreads are nice. So yeah, very nice little book, I have to say. Not bad. I have read just a little. That's why I know the little what I told. And let's go through the cards. Let me move this downstairs. Okay, oops, don't fall. Okay. And I'm just going to tell that this is the first, and this is, oops, sorry for bumping the camera. This is birch, and I know that a lot of people get irritated by this because the text here is very is written in a very small, short way. So here you have birch, birch, and then you have the ogam alphabet. So this is every card like this. And next one should be Rowan. Or Rowan, maybe I should say. I'm pronouncing this so wrong. Yeah. So let's just go through the cards. Very nice. I love trees, and I love the smell of them. And when I'm out walking with my guide dog, oh, look at this. This is, oh, amazing. Oh my God, this is beautiful. When I'm out walking with my guide dog, and when I pass some trees, I have a couple of them. I will never pass one without knowing that I am close to it. There is an energy bond between me and a couple of trees. And not only, some, but I can feel the energy from the trees, from the nature, from the stones, etc. It's like, I guess that when you have a poor vision like I do, then I guess you'll find your way in that position. I don't know if other people experience that or not, but I do. This is beautiful. Because, I have been spiritual all my life, into spirituality. So yeah, I hope I'm not boring you with me as we are here to watch the trees. This is the last. So